After using seasonings of your choice and cooking the ribs in the oven for approximately an hour at 350, they're ready to be put on the grill. Now you want to use wood chips. You can use mesquite or any other flavor that you want. These go onto the flames so that your barbecue can have a nice smoky flavor, I guess you could call it. Make sure you want to wet them first. That's important because that's where the smoke comes in and give you that mesquite flavor. Halfway through the grilling process, you're going to turn your ribs over and continue to add the mesquite wood chips. Alright guys, this is the final results. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys like this recipe, please let me know in the comments below what you think, how it came out. And if you have any other kind of recipes that you want to share with other people, please let me know. Alright? Bye.